Hello and welcome back. Today we are unpacking an external hard drive. So let's see what is in the package. Alright, so this is a Western Digital Black. The black means what is the color code. As you know, every hard drive, even internal hard drive or external hard drives, have a color code that determine how performance is designed. We will talk about this later. But this one is a P10 2TB of memory. All right, so let's see what is in the box. By the way, this is a HDD drive, meaning like it have moving parts. You have a disk that rotated. All right, so what is included? Let's open it up. It's very simple. These two clips right here, simple. I like it. They are USB cord from USB-B to USB. To a small manual. And of course, the drive. Very simple unpacking, but very nice. It's very simple. That is what is in the box. Now let's take it to the desk and test it. See you there. If you like one of these, I will put some information in the description of where you can get specifically this one or something similar. Okay, we are back here on the workbench. Let's test. Let's plug in. We have some noise, light, so means that it's working. So in the description, I'm going to put some information how you can get your own. Okay, I tested, it was working fine. I can see the drive right there. Everything well fine, no errors. So let me disconnect it now. When you're disconnecting a hard drive that have moving part, remember the 5-second rules. When you first you have to eject it, to be safe, and second, unplug it, but wait 5 seconds before you move it. And the reason for that is since it got moving parts, it let time for the needle to go back to the default position to avoid damage. So I think it is a good hard drive. It has a lot of space. It's not heavy, it's working well. I really recommend it. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time. Bye.